Welcome everyone to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to log in WhatsApp in desktop. Now to do that, open the desktop browser on your PC and there you need to tap open a new tab, and there on the search bar you type in whatsapp.com and press enter. It will direct you to this web page over here. Here you need to tap on WhatsApp web. Click on it. With this, you will be able to log in into the WhatsApp through your mobile device. So what you have to do is you need to open the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you open that, there on the WhatsApp, you will need to tap on this menu and there tap on settings, then tap on the scan icon. Once you do that, you will have the option of scan code. Tap that. And you need to scan the code that is available or present over here on this. You need to put your phone camera straight to the code over here on the desktop and you will be asked to log in into the WhatsApp on another device. You tap on continue on your phone. Right after you do that, you will be linked into the WhatsApp on web browser as well. There you can see you have been logged in. So this is how you can use or log in WhatsApp in the desktop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.